Most used car buyers are making the same expensive mistake. They're paying $3,000 to $8,000 more for popular cars simply because everyone else wants them. A Toyota badge, a Honda badge, a familiar name. But what if you could buy a vehicle that lasts just as long, costs thousands less, and has already taken most of its depreciation hit? Today, we're looking at five dirt cheap cars that most buyers ignore, but many of them routinely reach 250,000 to 300,000 miles. Some sell for less than half the price of comparable popular models. And if you're shopping for a used car in 2026, choosing one of these vehicles instead could save you thousands of dollars before you even turn the key. The biggest used car mistake isn't buying a cheap car, it's overpaying for a popular one. Number 5, Buick LeSabre. Nobody wants a Buick LeSabre, and that is exactly why smart buyers should look at it. A 2005 Buick LeSabre had an original MSRP around $27,000 to $33,000. Today, many sell around $3,000 to $6,000. That means the first owner already absorbed almost the entire loss. You're buying the remaining life, not the depreciation. The reason buyers avoid it is simple. It looks old. It feels like a retirement car. It does not have the image of a Camry, Accord, Civic, or Corolla. But under the hood, the LeSabre has the 3.8-litre GM 3800 V6. This engine is one of the biggest reasons people still talk about this car. Owner reports commonly mention 200,000 to 300,000 miles when maintenance is done properly. And Kelly Blue Book owner feedback shows 90% of owners recommend the 2005 LeSabre, with reliability listed as one of its strongest points. That is the financial opportunity. A clean LeSabre can cost $4,000 to $8,000, less than many used Camrys or Accords from similar years. Parts are cheap. Repairs are simple. Insurance is usually lower because nobody is treating this like a high-demand vehicle. So while other buyers pay extra for a badge, a smart buyer can get a full-size sedan with proven durability for economy car money. The LeSabre will not impress anyone at a dealership, but it can protect your wallet. The next vehicle was so reliable that police departments and taxi fleets trusted its platform for years. Number 4, Mercury Grand Marquis. The Mercury Grand Marquis disappeared for one reason. Buyers stopped buying large rear-wheel drive sedans. They wanted crossovers, SUVs, and newer technology. As demand collapsed, prices followed. A Grand Marquis that cost over $30,000 new can now be found for $3,000 to $7,000. That creates a huge opportunity for buyers who care more about reliability than image. The Grand Marquis rides on Ford's famous Panther platform, the same platform used by the Ford Crown Victoria and Lincoln Town Car. These cars spent decades serving as police cruisers, taxis, airport shuttles, and government fleet vehicles. Organizations that depend on reliability do not keep buying vehicles that break down. Many Panther platform cars routinely exceed 250,000 miles, and seeing examples with 300,000 miles or more is not unusual. The other advantage is repair costs. The 4.6-litre V8 is simple. Parts are everywhere. Independent mechanics know these cars inside and out. That means repairs are often cheaper than many modern vehicles loaded with expensive electronics and turbocharged engines, and because most buyers ignore them, depreciation has already done its damage. Instead of paying $12,000 to $15,000 for a popular used sedan, many buyers can purchase a Grand Marquis for less than half that amount and still get years of dependable transportation. The Grand Marquis isn't exciting, but neither is overpaying for a used car. The next car carries a badge that disappeared years ago, but underneath it's hiding one of Toyota's most reliable drivetrains. Number 3, Pontiac Vibe. The Pontiac Vibe may be the biggest bargain on this list, not because it's better than a Toyota, because it basically is a Toyota. When General Motors shut down Pontiac in 2010, resale values collapsed. Buyers saw a dead brand and moved on, but they overlooked what was underneath. The Pontiac Vibe was developed alongside the Toyota Matrix. Both vehicles were built at the same factory. Both shared the same platform. And many Vibes came with Toyota's highly respected 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine and Toyota transmission. That's important because reliability doesn't come from the badge on the hood. It comes from the parts underneath. Today, a used Toyota Matrix often sells for $1,500 to $4,000 more than a comparable Pontiac Vibe. Yet in many cases, you're getting nearly the same vehicle. The Vibe also delivers excellent ownership costs. Owners frequently report 200,000 to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Fuel economy can reach around 30 miles per gallon highway, helping keep operating costs low. And because demand remains lower than the Toyota version, buyers avoid the so-called Toyota tax. That's the financial opportunity. Instead of paying extra for a Toyota badge, buyers can often get virtually the same drivetrain for thousands less. The Pontiac Vibe proves that sometimes the smartest used car purchase is the one hiding in plain sight. The next vehicle may look strange, but owners regularly keep them for decades. One thing to keep in mind, truck repairs can get expensive fast. If you want to protect yourself, we've added a trusted warranty provider in the description where you can check coverage and pricing. Number 2, Scion XB. The Scion XB has one problem. Most people hate how it looks. In the boxy design are nicknames like the toaster and the refrigerator. And because buyers judged it on appearance, prices stayed low. That's good news for anyone who cares more about saving money than impressing strangers. Underneath the unusual styling is classic Toyota engineering. The first generation XB came with Toyota's 1.5-litre four-cylinder engine, one of the company's simplest and most dependable powertrains. Many owners report 200,000 to 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Fuel economy typically ranges between 30 and 35 miles per gallon, keeping fuel costs low. Maintenance costs are also surprisingly affordable. The XB uses simple, proven components, and replacement parts are widely available. Insurance is often lower than sportier vehicles because the XB was never marketed as a performance car and generally attracts lower risk drivers. That's where the financial advantage appears. Many clean examples still sell for $4,000 to $8,000, even though they can provide another decade of transportation. Most buyers walked away because of the styling, but styling doesn't determine reliability, and it doesn't determine ownership costs. The result is one of the cheapest ways to get Toyota dependability without paying Toyota prices. The XB proves that one of the biggest opportunities in the used car market is buying a vehicle other people refuse to consider. If your goal is to spend as little as possible while maximizing reliability, the number one vehicle on this list is almost impossible to beat. Number 1, Toyota Avalon. Most buyers shopping for a used Toyota never even look at the Avalon. They buy a Camry instead. That's exactly why the Avalon is one of the best bargains in the used car market. When new, many Avalons sold for $35,000 to $45,000. Today, clean examples from the mid-2000s to early 2010s often sell for $5,000 to $10,000. That's luxury car comfort for used economy car money. The Avalon shares much of its DNA with the Camry, but offers more space, a quieter ride, and additional features. Most importantly, it delivers the durability Toyota is known for. Many owners report 250,000 to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Examples with 200,000 plus miles are common across the used market. And because buyers focus on the Camry, Avalon prices remain surprisingly low. That's where the savings begin. For roughly the price of a basic used compact car, buyers can often get a full-size sedan that originally competed with near luxury vehicles. The Avalon also avoids many of the expensive repair problems that turn older luxury cars into financial disasters. No German luxury car repair bills, no premium brand maintenance costs, just proven to Toyota reliability. That's what makes the Avalon different. You're not paying for popularity, you're paying for durability. And in today's used car market, that can save thousands of dollars. The purchase price isn't what makes a used car expensive. The repair bills that come later do. And that's why the Avalon earns the top spot. Most buyers pay extra for popularity. Smart buyers pay for reliability. Depreciation creates the opportunity. If you buy the right cheap car, you can save thousands of dollars over the next decade. But if you buy the wrong one, the repair bills can erase every dollar you saved. The used car market rewards buyers who think differently. The crowd usually pays more. Before you buy your next vehicle, check its true value with Deal Check at biddingforautos.com. 5 minutes of research today could save you thousands tomorrow. Subscribe before your next car purchase, because the most expensive mistake is the one you don't discover until after you own it. If you want more like this, subscribe and watch this next.